Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Solana. Wanted to do a full update. It's been a couple of days. I mean, honestly, if we're looking at the price, I mean, we got a nice bounce here again from the trend line, the magical trend line, which has supported us so often already. As you can see right here, I mean, this was the seventh touch, eighth touch actually, if you count the last one. However, wanted to do a full update on the current situation, fundamentally, but also technically, so that you're updated on what's going on and that you have a little bit of an idea of what to expect next. Now, honestly, I mean, if you look at Solana right now, there's not much specifically going on. Whereas we saw, for example, Litecoin do quite well with all the ETF updates and all the ETF rumors. We have seen some momentum come back in to Solana over the course of yesterday and since Sunday already. You can see volume from the lows in the weekend and 2.3 have risen about $1.6 billion in volume, so that's great. But if you compare this to other altcoins, I mean, the volume is just a little bit flat. For a lot of altcoins, or at least the stronger altcoins that actually do have some sort of momentum here, the volume is at least about 10-20% higher than yesterday, and you can see for Solana it's exactly the same as yesterday, and not much is going on. We're holding this support level right here at 190, so that's great, but from that support level we're not really gaining that much momentum, and the news and the fundamentals for Solana also don't really seem to be providing that. So we're very much waiting for something. And I still think, yesterday I read an article about from some very credible guys, talking about the ETF approval percentages or the probabilities, right? So that certain coins would get an ETF. For Litecoin, it's very high. For Solana, it's a little bit lower. It's about 75%, because Solana, as most of you still remember from last year and the year before that, is named a security has been named a security by the SEC very often. So something really has to change within the SEC for that to happen. Now, it's most likely that will happen. But so far, we haven't really seen that, all right? We haven't really seen any concrete statements from the SEC that they're going to be more lenient and that we can actually expect these ETFs. I mean, if that happens, Solana is definitely going to be able to get that breakout right here above 205 and move back into the range highs right here between 245 and 260. So that's not the question. That's definitely a possibility. But right now, TVL for Solana is also not doing much. The DEX trading volumes have dropped back down to the lows before the Trump meme coin listing, so that's slightly bearish as well. So yeah, there's just not that much going on for Solana. It's just relatively flat here, and then the fundamentals around the markets short term are quite bullish. The Bitcoin dominance, for example, is dropping down a bit. The USDT dominance is dropping down a bit, which is both bullish for altcoins. But then if we look at Sol BTC specifically, like, yes, it is at support, right? So at some point of time soon, I do expect that Solana is going to start outperforming Bitcoin again. But it's too early right now to say that that's already going on. Right. So all of those factors kind of confirm for me that Solana right now is most likely to actually stay flat here, so that we will continue consolidating here. Due to those crypto specific bullish fundamentals, I think we can see a move into maybe 215, something like that. But ultimately, I don't see any reason to break out here. There's no volume. And I think what you need to be careful the most is a drop into 1.75 still. We have inflation rate data coming out tomorrow. If that's higher than expected, we'll drop down into 175. And we still have to hear about tariffs. If there's severe escalation in this trade war situation, due to the correlation of Solana to Bitcoin and Bitcoin's correlation to the financial markets, we could also still drop down into this level. All right. So at this point of time, the fundamentals, I think, don't really warrant a bullish breakout. A move up, yes. Bullish breakout, no. And I'd say it's more likely that we'll actually see some sort of a move down into lower lows. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. I will keep you updated on this. Have a great day. Take care and bye.